Over 90% of the engine misfires I see in the shop trace straight back to dirty fuel injectors. And most people have no idea their injectors are already wasting up to 30% more fuel by the time the car hits 50,000 miles. Today I'm walking you through 9 real ways to clean those injectors without ever pulling them out. Stick around until the end because I'll drop the one pro-level secret I almost never share outside the garage, the same one that has doubled injector life for more cars than I can count. Let's get into it. Method number 9, add fuel system cleaner to the tank. This is the one everybody tries first, and it's also the one most people botch. They grab whatever bottle is cheapest at the pump, dump it into a full tank, and wonder why nothing changes. The truth is simple, not every cleaner is created equal. You need a formula that actually contains polyethylamine P. That's the chemical that eats carbon and varnish inside the injector. Brands that consistently deliver it are Chevron, Techron, Gumaut Regain, and Red Line. Here's the detail that separates the guys who get results from the ones who waste money. Match the dose to your tank level. If the bottle is rated for 12 gallons, do not pour it into an 18-gallon tank. You're just diluting the chemistry. I always run the tank down to about a quarter, add the cleaner, then top it off with fresh fuel. That concentration stays strong the whole time it's flowing through the injectors. Method number 8, use detergent-based fuel additives. Carbon isn't the only enemy. When fuel sits, it breaks down into a sticky varnish that glues the injector pintle shut. Regular P cleaners sometimes miss that glue. Detergent-based additives are built specifically to dissolve it. Think of them as dish soap for your fuel system. I've brought more than a few neglected cars back to life with these, Grandma's Buick that only moved on Sundays, weekend trucks that sat all winter. The injectors weren't packed with hard carbon, they were coated in that oily residue. A good detergent additive cleaned them up when everything else failed. Method number 7, try ethanol treatment additives. Today's pump gas almost always carries up to 10% ethanol. That ethanol does act as a mild solvent and helps keep injectors cleaner until it starts pulling moisture out of the air. Water settles in the tank, separates from the fuel, and starts corroding everything it touches. Injectors gum up, pumps wear out early, and the engine runs rough. Ethanol treatment additives stop that cycle. They stabilize the fuel, lock up the water, and keep the injectors from turning into rusty paperweights. I use them constantly on vehicles that sit: boats, motorcycles, classic cars, lawn equipment. Without treatment, those injectors can lock solid after one winter. With treatment, they fire like they never slept. Method number 6, regular highway driving. The free method that still works better than most bottles on the shelf is what old-school techs call the Italian tune-up. Modern cars spend too much time on short trips and stop-and-go traffic. The engine never gets fully hot, carbon builds on the injectors and valves, and performance slowly dies. Take the car on a sustained highway run at least 20 to 30 minutes. Drop it into a lower gear, hold the RPMs higher than you normally would, and keep them there. You're raising combustion chamber temperatures high enough to burn the carbon off. I've watched engines that were misfiring and stumbling smooth out after one proper run. Method number 5, throttle body and air intake cleaner spray. Now we stop pouring and start spraying. Carbon doesn't just live inside the injectors. It coats the throttle plate, intake valves, and the walls of the manifold. That black gunk kills idle quality and steals throttle response. A quality throttle body and intake cleaner sprayed while the engine is running dissolves a lot of it on the spot. Here's the exact process I use. Follow the intake tube from the air filter to the throttle body. Loosen the clamp, pull the tube back, and expose the throttle opening. Start the engine and have someone hold the RPMs between 1,500 and 2,000 so it doesn't stall. Spray in short bursts straight into the throttle body. Let the engine suck it in, recover for a few seconds, then spray again. Work through about half the can. Reconnect the tube and tighten the clamp. The cleaner is flammable, no smoking. Method number 4, fuel system cleaner kit. This is the pressurized canister system that feeds concentrated cleaner straight into the fuel rail and completely bypasses the tank. It's one of the strongest cleanings you can do without pulling injectors. I've run these kits for years in the shop, and the difference is obvious when the job is done right. This is not beginner territory. You're working with pressurized fuel. Mistakes can mean leaks or fire. The process: pull the fuel pump relay or fuse and crank until the engine dies to relieve pressure. Connect the canister to the Schrader valve or service port on the rail with the proper adapter, no leaks allowed. Fill the canister with the strong cleaner that comes with the kit. Pressurize it with shop air to match system pressure, usually 40-60 psi. Start the engine. It now runs entirely on the cleaner. Method number 3, professional on-car cleaning service. Sometimes the smartest move is letting a shop do it. Professional on-car machines use stronger chemistry and more precise equipment than any kit you can buy. I've performed hundreds of these services. When the injectors are dirty but not dead, the results are dramatic. The machine connects to the fuel rail, isolates the tank, and runs the engine on concentrated cleaner for 20–30 minutes. Carbon, varnish, and deposits get flushed out. Customers notice smoother idle, sharper throttle, and better mileage almost immediately. Some come back a week later saying the car feels new again. Method number 2, use top-tier gas with built-in detergents. Cheap gas is expensive in the long run. Bargain fuel meets the bare minimum detergent standards. Top-tier gasoline, Chevron, Shell, Mobil, Costco, and others, carries a much higher detergent package proven to keep injectors, valves, and combustion chambers cleaner. Independent testing has shown top-tier fuel can leave engines nearly 20 times cleaner than bargain brands. I've seen the difference side by side. Cars that live on discount gas often show uneven injector spray and heavy carbon by 80,000 miles. The same engines that stick with top tier still look almost new at 150,000. You don't even need premium grade. Regular top tier fuel already carries the full detergent package. Only buy premium if the manufacturer requires it. If you occasionally have no choice but off-brand gas, follow it with a P cleaner on the next fill-up to offset the difference. Fuel quality is one of the simplest, most powerful injector protectors available. When the deposits are already heavy, though, there's still one method that outperforms everything else without removing a single injector. Method number 1, carbon clearing machine service. This is the gold standard cleaning used by dealerships and high-end shops. A specialized machine connects directly to the fuel rail and replaces the normal fuel supply with a professional-strength cleaning solution. While the engine runs, that solution flows through every injector, dissolving carbon and varnish that ordinary additives can't touch. It doesn't stop at the injectors. The same process cleans intake valves, combustion chambers, and fuel lines. The result is sharper throttle response, smoother idle, improved fuel economy, and injectors that last dramatically longer. In many cases, the car feels like it received a mini engine rebuild without a single part being removed. Shops typically recommend the service every 30–50–000 miles depending on how the car is driven. Cost is usually in the same $100–200 range as a regular professional cleaning, but the depth of the clean is on another level. If your car is already showing rough idle, weak acceleration, or hard starts, this is the closest you can get to brand new injectors without the cost of replacement. Now you know every practical way to clean fuel injectors without pulling them out. The next critical skill is catching the problem early before it costs you real money.